Your customers live in WhatsApp. Your data lives in HubSpot. Switching between the two all day is where deals slip. The Eazybe HubSpot integration brings your CRM right into WhatsApp Web, so you can manage conversations, sync contacts, and streamline your workflow without ever leaving your chats. And here's the quiet part that does the work for you. Once it's connected, your HubSpot contacts stay in sync automatically, right where you're already typing. Let's walk through everything it can do. First, the quick groundwork. You'll need an active HubSpot account. Free or paid, both work. The Eazybe extension installed and connected to WhatsApp Web, plus admin rights for app marketplace access and file access permissions. Now open WhatsApp Web and the Eazybe panel. Head to the integration section and select HubSpot. Click Connect HubSpot and sign in with your credentials. Review what Eazybe needs, your contacts and files, so the sync can work. Then click Connect App to authorize. If you manage more than one HubSpot account, just pick the right one. Then you're redirected straight back to WhatsApp Web connected. And that's the Eazybe HubSpot integration. Your CRM and your chats finally in one place. Connect yours today and stop tab hopping.